out the door just in time. People are burning alive from the house from which I have just run. This happens regularly when people foolishly believe the costume that I don. 'Cause I look the part, I'm told, but I lack the powers which I should hold. But the cape makes me feel like a superhero. But I know I'm not Superman. People keep saying to me that I should really leave emergencies to professionals. But they don't know how it feels to be the man of steel. Who cares if I'm not from Krypton? 'Cause I look badass in blue and red, and my cape is totally rad. So who cares if I don't help anyone? Because I feel like Superman. I feel like Superman. Someday I'll save a girl's life. I feel like Superman. Someday I feel like Superman. Someday I'll have super hot laser eyesight. I'm not Superman. Someday